Merced Irrigation District has operated upstream of this area on the Merced River for more than 100 years, and we are absolutely committed to the well-being of this river, our community's entire economic and drinking water, crops we grow, it's all connected to this river.
This project is meant to do two things. One is to facilitate reliable agricultural water for the local community, and secondarily to support a really important resource that is salmon in the Merced River.
The Merced Irrigation District received funding for this project from DWR's Riverine Stewardship Program and FISH program, which stands for Facilitating Improvements to System-Wide Habitat. Both programs seek to restore habitat for fish and wildlife and river systems. The DWR team worked collaboratively with Merced Irrigation District and Kramer Fish Sciences, providing engineering support and environmental expertise to help guide the project to success. The project team accomplished a lot in the stretch of the Merced to help salmonids and increase water diversion efficiency and reliability. They removed a stagnant pond with predators and invasive vegetation. Then fish-friendly screens were installed to improve water diversion. Large woody debris structures were added to provide additional fish habitat. They also used suitable gravel and rock to create 5.7 acres of spawning habitat for salmonids. This habitat supports native vegetation and native aquatic wildlife, which improves the ecosystem and creates more fish food. Finally, an in-stream weir and berm were removed and replaced with gravel and native riparian trees and plants on the shoreline to help improve fish passage.
It takes a village to do these kind of projects. You really need people from all different entities and agencies. First and foremost, there needs to be a societal will, and so the funding from the Department of Water Resources and the collaboration with the Merced Irrigation District is absolutely essential. Those two are really important, but you also need a willing landowner who is willing to work with that funding and work with the entities to implement projects like these, and in particular on this project, give back some of the land that was being used for agricultural purposes for habitat.
Yeah, this is an amazing example of a multi-benefit project because we have an irrigation district, Merced Irrigation District, along with a private property owner. We're able to do upwards of 10 acres of restoration at this site, have benefits for the native fish, which is the predominant reason that we funded this, and also have water efficiency improved for the landowner and for the irrigation district. We are excited to see how this new approach for upgrading water infrastructure will benefit the people, the river, and the fish in the future.